Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Nissan Altima key battery. First, ensure you have a new CR2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver ready for the task. Begin by locating the small release latch, usually found on the back of your key fob. Press this latch firmly and carefully slide out the emergency key, setting it aside for a moment. This initial step provides essential access to the key fob's internal casing. With the emergency key now safely removed, hold your key fob with the buttons facing downwards. Look closely along the bottom edge for small notches or subtle indentations designed for opening. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into one of these designated notches. Apply gentle, steady pressure, and then twist the screwdriver slightly to begin separating the two halves of the key fob casing. You may need to work your way around the seam until it starts to split. Once the casing is partially open, you can gently pull the two halves completely apart with your hands. Inside, you will clearly see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Before removing it, take a moment to observe which way the plus side is facing. It's typically oriented downwards. Now, use your screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the plus side is facing down, just like the old one was positioned. With the new battery securely in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear them audibly snap shut, ensuring all edges are perfectly flush and sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot at the bottom of the fob until it clicks into place. Now, take a moment to test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to confirm it's working perfectly once again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.